Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the physical layer because most problems live there. First, power cycle your modem and router. Unplug both for 30 seconds, then restore power. While they boot, inspect Ethernet cables and swap ports or cables to rule out a bad lead. Once done, verify whether your ISP is reporting an outage by calling them or checking from your phone. That tells you if the issue is local hardware versus a network-wide problem. Next, isolate device-level causes. Plug a laptop directly into the modem or router to see if wired connectivity works. This separates Wi-Fi from internet issues. Then inspect your device network settings. Ensure IP and DNS are set to automatic DHCP, unless you use static values. If they are correct, restart the network adapter or forget and rejoin the Wi-Fi network to clear cached credentials. This often fixes authentication or lease conflicts that block access. Finally, perform deeper maintenance and escalation steps. Check and apply router firmware updates and update your device network drivers because outdated software can break connectivity. If problems persist, back up your Wi-Fi settings and perform a factory reset on the router, then reconfigure secure passwords and network name. Do this only as a last resort. If you still can't connect, note exact error messages and speeds, then contact your ISP. Provide those details so they can diagnose line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.